I'm excited to show you a new project that we have in the garage. This is a 2007 WRX Sti Hawkeye. The early STIs were named Bug Eye, Blob Eye, and Hawkeye, referring to the shape of the headlights for each model. The Hawkeye was only made for 2 years in 2006 and 2007, and the 2007 introduced an improved ECU and longer gears in the 6-speed transmission. I acquired this beast in a trade for a 1987 Suzuki LT500 four-wheeler, also known as the Quadzilla. Let me go over the upgrades and let me know in the comments how much power you think this car can put down. This STI has about 140,000 miles on the chassis. The motor was rebuilt about 7,000 miles ago. A lot of folks do what they call an STI mod, where they use parts from an STI to try to convert their WRX to an STI, but this one is a true STI. The interior is very clean, doesn't show typical wear for a 140,000 mile car. It has an older JVC head unit, Alpine indoor speakers, Cobb access port, version 3 programmer, and some new floor mats that I tossed in. Under the hood is the recently rebuilt EJ257 4-cylinder boxer engine. Internally it has forged Manley pistons, H-Tough rods, stock cams, and TGV deletes. It has a Cobb flex fuel sensor here, and here is the flex fuel module, so I can run either 91, E10, E85, any combination of ethanol. Here you can see the top of the Yellow Speed Racing coilovers. It has a stock intake manifold and an aftermarket accessory belt cover. It has a Cobb electronic boost controller and an InGen Cyborg intake. Down below you'll see the large Turbo XS front-mounted intercooler, as opposed to the traditional top-mounted intercooler that these cars came stock with. Underneath the turbo blanket we have a Cobb 20G turbo, a step up from the stock turbo. This turbo can safely and consistently produce between 20 and 20 psi of boost. Down here you'll see the Go Fast Bits EX38 38mm wastegate, which is attached to the GS up pipe. Back up top we have the HKS blow-off valve. I'll try to get the camera down in here where you can see the injectors. These are ID 1050X injectors, and they're paired with the WRX DW300 340 liters per hour fuel pump, which is mounted in the tank. In the trunk we have an up-ported bandpass enclosure with two semi-vintage 10-inch Pioneer IMPP 500 watt subs. The amp is mounted to the back side of the box, and you'll also see the wiring for the auxiliary relay and wiring for the fuel pump. Wheels are decent. They also have Brembo brakes, front and rear. Rear rotors are drilled and slotted. There's a full turbo back exhaust, the Japanese made Apexi N1 exhaust. I have lots of projects planned for this car in the coming weeks. So far I've already done wheel bearings front and rear. In the front I've replaced the entire hub assemblies. I replaced the inner and outer tie rods, ball joints, one of the steering knuckles that was damaged, front and rear diff seals, the CV axles were all removed in service, engine oil was changed, transmission diff fluid was changed, cabin filter was replaced. We'll also be adding a front strut brace and possibly some side skirts and rear diffuser and much more. Let me know down in the comments if you think I got a good deal trading 1987 LT500 quad racer for this 07 Hawkeye STI. And don't forget, if you like the content that we provide, please like and subscribe to the channel and drop us a comment. And check out our other videos on YouTube. There are lots of other interesting projects that I've completed in the past.